Learning how to walk in high heels is the key to saving yourself from the risk of falling or damaging your legs while walking in heels. But you need to understand that walking in high heels is not rocket science. It is an art you can learn in the comfort of your home, and today we will be looking at the step-by-step guide on how you can do just that. Welcome to Christy Tips. The first step is preparation. Walking in high heels is like walking on your tiptoes without shoes. The difference between the two is that you wear high heels in one and you walk barefoot in the other. First, walk around the house on your tiptoes for a while. Doing these not only builds the foundational skills, but also help you understand the necessary balance required for your posture. In addition to tiptoeing, another crucial thing you need to take into consideration is the heels types. Not all heels are suitable for learning. Just like attempting to learn how to drive with a tanker truck isn't advisable. Certain heel types are not the best choice when it comes to learning. From my personal experience, the best heels to start with are wedge heels or any lower heels. They are best because they distribute your weight more evenly and provide greater stability. Once you've got the right pair of heels, the next step is to take action. Let me break these down. Firstly, stand up in your heels. When standing in high heels, put one foot slightly in front of the other. Stand on the straight leg at first, then switch to the other foot when the first one gets tired. This helps you stay balanced and comfortable. After you have done that, begin by taking smaller steps. As you get more used to it, gradually increase your steps, but keep things slow, and you should avoid taking long strides. Walking in this manner will help with your balance and prevent any accidents. And if you're new to wearing heels, avoid walking toe to heel like Amma Klubler said in her video. Instead, place your heel down first, then smoothly roll to your toes. Once your weight is on the balls of your feet, take the next step by shifting forward, as if you're walking on your toes. Remember the tiptoes we talked about earlier. Another helpful advice is to engage your core muscles when walking in high heels. Tightening your abdominal muscles and standing up straight can help improve balance and stability. Don't push yourself too hard. Instead, practice walking for a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you progress. Be patient and confident and don't get discouraged. Practice makes perfect. To see the full list of high heels you should stay away from Watch This videos.